Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing the financial information about a company. Accounting also gives the information about the availability of resources in the company, how the company is utilizing its resources, and what are the results achieved by using those resources. Accounting also shows the profit earned or the loss incurred by the company during a specific accounting period. Accounting also helps in estimating the value of assets and liabilities that the company owns. The users of the accounting information are classified into two categories. Internal user. The internal users are the users of the accounting information who lie inside the organization. Like owners, owner is the main user of the accounting information because he is interested in knowing whether his business is in the profit or in the loss. Next is the management. Management makes decisions and policies regarding the company, so they need the accounting information to make the future policies and decisions. Next are the employees and workers. Employees and workers are provided with the bonus at the end of the financial year. So if the company incurred a good profit, then the employees and workers would be provided with a good bonus. So that's why employees and workers are interested in the accounting information of the company. Next are the external users. External users are the users which are not the part of the organization but are interested in the accounting information of the organization. The first external users are banks and financial institutions. Banks and financial institutions are interested in knowing the accounting information of the company to provide the loans in future. The next are the investors. Investors have invested their money in the business, so they are rightful to know the financial status of the company so that they can uh, know if the company they invested is in the profit or is in the loss. Next are the creditors. Creditors are the people who have provided goods or services on credit to the company. So if the company is in loss, then the creditors would have trouble in getting their money. So therefore, they are interested in knowing the accounting information of the company. Next are the government authorities. Government calculate important figures at the end of the financial year, like the growth. So hence, they are interested in knowing the financial accounting of the company. Government also prepares schemes and budget schemes and budget before the financial year begins. So hence they are also entitled to know the accounting information of the company. Next are the researchers. Researchers use the financial accounting information of the company for their research work. Next are the consumers. Consumers are the people who are taking services or goods from the company, and hence they should know about the accounting information. If the is company is in the loss, so hence the quality of the service or good they are providing may be compromised. Therefore, the consumers are interested in knowing the accounting information of the company. Next are the advantages of accounting. The financial information about the business is provided inside the accounting. The financial performance which the company gave throughout the accounting period, that is a profit earned or a loss incurred, is provided in the accounting. Next is the assistance to management. The accounting information provides help to the management in controlling the business and making plans and policies for the future of the company. Accounting replaces memory because we do not have to remember each and every transaction which the company has done, so it is placed inside a journal, and hence it replaces the memory. It helps in comparative studies. If we keep accounting information updated, hence it would help us in knowing if our previous year and the next year accounting information comparison can be made. We can know the increase in profit or decrease in profit or increase in losses using the accounting information. It helps in settlement of tax liabilities. It helps in tax liabilities as the all the profit earned and the losses incurred are recorded inside the accounting. Hence,